when you want to forget your language, when you want to act like you're not an Igbo person, just remember the whites, those people you call whites, that are Italians and other people that's Sweden, German. Remember, they also speak their dialect. They speak their dialect as well. So if these people speak their dialects, what is making you shy to speak your own dialect? I want to know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. If you clicked on this video, this is a sign for you to subscribe. Please subscribe and join this family, of course. Guys, in today's video I want to talk about something, and it goes, how do you maintain your igbotic self even after years of living abroad, or even while living abroad? Guys, I just think the first thing here is to be intentional. Yes, because more often I've heard I left Nigeria since I was 10 years, I left Nigeria since I was 15 years, and after then you forget everything about your language or your culture. I don't even know how to say it, but sometimes I find it difficult to believe, especially those that left around 20 years, around 19 years, that they're not able to speak their dialect again. I don't know, I find that one difficult to believe. But if you want to maintain your igbotic self even after years of living abroad, I would just say be intentional. Be very, very intentional. Even if you don't have anybody to speak that language with, watch movies. Watch movies. Call your friends. Call your friends that you left the country. Call your friends that you were in the country with before you left and speak that language. Watch movies in that language. Talk in that language in your house. Make friends that are from the same place with you and speak the language. Be intentional. Not like you don't know how to speak English. You know how to speak English, right? But you're going to speak your dialect. You know how to speak English, right? But you're going to speak your language. That is why I said you just have to be intentional. Go to activities that has to do with your culture. Many people that live in diasporas, they have film festivals, they have different festivals that they meet people of their type, they meet people of their culture, make friends with them and speak your language. You just have to be intentional before this language sticks with you. If you just lay back, the language is going to leave you, because you don't have anybody you're speaking it with, right? That's what you want to tell me. That is why I said be intentional. How many times have I said it? I don't have the list of things you can do. Number one, number two. Be intentional. Speak the language. Even if you don't want to speak it, use it. When you have friends that are the same language with you and they can speak it, you guys should speak the language and leave the English beside and speak whatever dialect you are, whether Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Efik, whatever thing you are, and use the language or the dialect of yours. That is how to intentionally know your language. That is how to maintain that your igbotic self, or whichever self you are, even after years of living abroad, or even after years of leaving your country. Nigeria, whichever country you are, before going to where that English is their first and second language. Don't be ashamed to speak your language. See, everybody has a language. It's only Nigeria that when they travel or when they meet people that are the same language with them, they will not speak their language. Even when you speak English to them, even when you speak your language to them, they reply with English. It's only in Nigeria. I don't know, it's particularly with Igbo people. I don't know, I've seen it particularly with Igbo people. Like, Igbo people is even the worst in this behavior. But almost everybody in this world has language. When you travel, when you meet people of other countries, Spanish, Italian, they use their language anywhere they are. In the restaurant, they're speaking it very loud. Chinese people also. In the restaurant, they are speaking it very loud. Like you're eating, you're hearing them. When they travel to diaspora with their family, they are speaking it. No matter how it sounds in your ear, it's your business. Like, they don't give a shit. But it's only people from my country, Nigeria, that will travel for 2 days and they will forget their language. They will start speaking on English. Even when you speak your language to them, they will reply with English. Sometimes when they reply, the English that you're speaking is not even correct. But you shall want to speak English. It's not even correct, but they want to speak it. I don't say you don't speak your English. Speak your English, but what I'm saying is, if you want to maintain that igbotic self, if you want to maintain that your language in your mouth, just be intentional. People are gonna love you. You'll be amazed how people are gonna love you. Yes, because language is a language. It doesn't disturb you from looking bougie that you are. It doesn't disturb you from wearing good clothes or making up and looking clean. It doesn't disturb all those things. People will still love you. When you want to forget your language, when you want to act like you're not an Igbo person, just remember the whites, those people you call whites, that are Italians and other people that's Sweden, German. Remember, they also speak their dialect. They speak their dialect as well. So if these people speak their dialects, what is making you shy to speak your own dialect? I want to know. So I'll be ending this video here. I just want to say, be intentional. When you're intentional, the language sticks with you. When you're intentional, you continue to speak your language without being shy. And when you're intentional, you won't forget this language. Because your language is who you are. You can't change who you are. So why do you want to stop speaking it? So guys, I hope this video passes message to various people across the border. Feel free to share this video. I don't care. I'll say what I said. Yeah, feel free to share this video and give it a thumbs up. Of course, join and subscribe to this family, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. One more thing, don't forget to learn Igbo. This channel will teach Igbo as well. Igbo is our main core in this channel, but because I don't want you guys to be scared anytime you see my video that I've come with a lesson, I try to bring in other things, and of course continue teaching Igbo that I'm teaching. Maka na Igbo amaka. Igbo amaka no. Igbo amaka. God knows. Bye bye.